Howdy everyone. We're still working on this exercise over here, exercise 9, with displaying Fibonacci numbers, okay? But the problem is, you see, I've got a question here. Here's our previous solution. Now, question is, what if a user gave us some number less than 3? Let's try and see what's going to happen. If I try displaying and inserting a number like 2, you'll see our program actually gives us a logical error because it also prints the dead number as well. So basically I thought, you know what, let me just do things differently this time around. Let me take care of that case as well. Okay, so this is how my thing is going to look. So fib1 is equals to that. My bad. And regards to those these semicolons I keep typing, I am more of a Java programmer, to be honest. Okay. But I do Python as well. Okay, so let's try go fib. Just like before, we just gotta go fib1, fib2. Again, this stuff right here is is the exact thing we had before. Enter number of elements. Okay. Okay, I do not want to display that. I'm afraid you guys had to do that. This guy was greeting me and it would have been rude to simply ignore him. Anyways, let's continue. Okay. So I'll just go if number of fib is equals 1, matter of fact, if it is less than 1, if it is less than or equals to 0, which is the same as saying less than 1, we know immediately that we have a problem. So we'll just go start over, valid input. Elif number of fib is equals to 1, then we know that we only need 2. Display, we only need to display. Matter of fact, here's the best way of doing things. Let's just display that. Okay. Another else if number of fib is equals to 2, we're gonna have to display 2 of those. Okay, of course we could use numbers and then separate them by a comma, okay, but I'm not planning on doing so. Okay, You're gonna have to bear with me, you guys. I'm outdoors here at home, so people, they sometimes yell at each other, which of course tend to be annoying to you guys. Okay, fib. If this is the case, then what? Then matter of fact, let me just go else. You see, rather than declaring my variables up there, let me just declare them down here. My indentation is bad, so let me take care of it. So here's what I will do. In this case, I'll do the exact thing I did before. Okay, index in range, number of fib minus 3, number of fib minus 3. We will then go fib 1 equals to fib 2, fib 2 equals to fib, and then fib equals to fib 1 plus fib 2. Okay, we will then print what? See, truth of the matter is, are supposed to start by printing just like before. I want to go fib 1, fib 2, fib, and my separator has got to be a comma. Again, I wanna stay on the same line. Okay, right at the bottom I can do the very same thing, except that my separator won't be a comma. And another thing is, I'll start by displaying a comma there. So this is my second version, so I'll save that as that. Okay, now what? I think that is pretty much it, you guys. Let me just hit the run button and see what we get. And at any point in time, again, you guys, feel free to let me know in case I messed up. Now, if we enter 3, then we're gonna get exactly 3 numbers. If we enter something like 2, again, we're getting exactly 2 numbers. Of course, if we enter 1, that will work as well. Okay. Let's try something like 8 and see what we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's gonna be pretty much it, you guys. Let me wrap it up now. Let me wrap it up.